Good afternoon, children. Today, we are going to learn pre-number concept. In our last class, we already learned numbers and number names. You already learned numbers and number names. You can count numbers now and you can write the number names also, isn't it? Yes. Now we are going to learn pre-number concept. What is our lesson name? Pre-number concept. Here, I bring two objects. What is this? Can you see this? Yes, this is a tomato. This is a tomato. And what is this? It's a lemon. It's a lemon. Here, I introduce you what is big and small. What is big and small? When we are comparing these two objects, which is big in size? This one. When we are comparing two objects, we can understand one is big and one is small. Comparing the size of something. Okay, we are comparing the size here. When we are comparing the size of something, we can use the word big and small. We can use the word big and small to identify that. Here, when we are comparing these two objects, the tomato and the lemon, which one is big here? Which is big in size? This is big. And the lemon is small. Do you now understand what is big and small? The tomato is a big and lemon is small. Big and small. Big and small. When we comparing an object by its size, we can use the term big and small. Big and small. Here, when we are comparing the size of these two objects, the tomato is big and the lemon is small. The tomato is big and the lemon is small. I bring two bottles here. Can you see this bottle? Can you? Yes. Here the green bottle is bigger than this. This is the big bottle and this is the small bottle. This is the big bottle and this is the small bottle. Another object is boxes. Can you see two boxes in my hands? Can you see? Which box is small? Which one is small? Yes, the green box is small. The green box is small. When we comparing to this white box, the green box is small. Small, big. Small, big. You got the idea of small and big? In my right hand, this is a pencil and a chalk. Which one is big here? Which one is big? Yes, the pencil is big. The chalk is small. The chalk is small. Another one, two books. I have two books. Okay, can you see these books? Which is small? Yes, this is small. This is small and this is big. When we comparing the size of two books, this is big and this is small. When we comparing the size of these two books, this book is big and this book is small. When we comparing the size of these two bottles, this bottle is big and this bottle is small. This bottle is small. When we comparing the size of these boxes, which one is big? The white is big and the green is small. The white is big and the green is small. You understand? You got it? Okay. Next one. I have a pen and a pencil. Which is big here? Which one is big? Yes, the pencil is big and the pen is small. Okay. I draw some objects. These are ants. These two are ants. Which one is big here? Which one is big here? I circle the big one. I circle the big ant. Okay. I circle the big ant. You got it? I draw another object. There are two apples. There are two apples. Which one is small? Yes, this is the small apple. I circle the big one. I circle the big apple. You got the idea of big and small? Got it? In your notebook, you can draw these objects and circle the big one. Circle the big one. Write the heading. Circle the big one. Take your notebook and write the heading, circle the big one, and draw many more objects. You can draw many objects that you can, and circle the big one. Circle the big one. When we are comparing something, we get when we are comparing these two ants, this is the big one, and when we are comparing these two apples, which one is big? This is big. You got the idea? Do you? Yes. Okay, you can take your textbook. Take page number 47. Take page number 47. You can see the picture of a watermelon and an apple. Watermelon and an apple. Which is big? Watermelon or an apple? Yes, you know, watermelon is big. Watermelon is big in size and apple is small. Watermelon is big. Here the watermelon is big and the apple is small. Here is another picture of a sheep and a bird. Can you see? Can you see? Yes, this is the sheep and a bird. The picture of a sheep and a bird. Which is big? The sheep is big. Sheep is big. When we comparing the size of the sheep and bird, sheep is big and the bird is small. Big and small. Big and small. You got the idea? Big and small. When we comparing the size of something, we can say by big and small. And the next one, tall and short. Tall and short. Tall and short. Do you know what is tall and short? Tall and short. Tall and short. When we are comparing the length of something, when we are comparing the length of two objects, when we are comparing the length of two objects, we can say like tall and short. We normally use tall and short. Here we have two objects, one scale and one pencil. One scale and one pencil. Which one is tall here? Which is bigger in size? Yes, this. So we can say scale is tall and the pencil is short. The scale is tall and the pencil is short. If I take the chalk, which is big here? Which is tall here? Which is tall? when we comparing the length of these two objects, which is the lengthy? Yes, this. So we can say the pencil is tall. The pencil is tall. And the chalk is short. And the chalk is short. The pencil is tall and the chalk is short. I show you a picture. Can you see this picture? Can you see this picture? In this picture, we can see a girl and a boy. A girl and a boy. Is it? Yes. Here, who is tall? Who is tall? Yes, the toy is tall. The boy is tall. The boy is tall and the girl is short. The boy is tall and the girl is short. The boy is tall and the girl is short. In this picture, the boy is tall and girl is short. You got the idea of tall and short? Yes, tall and short. I have two pencils. I have two pencils in my hand. Can you see this? Yes. Which pencil is tall? Which pencil is tall? Yes, this yellow pencil is tall and the red pencil is short. The yellow pencil is tall and the red pencil is short. I have two chalks in my hand. In my right hand and left hand, there are chalks. Can you see this? Yes. Which is short? Which one is short? Yes. This chalk is short. In my right hand, there is a short chalk. And which is tall? Here. This is the tall. Do you get the idea of tall and short? Okay. I draw something. Here you can see two trees. Here you can see two trees. Which one is tall here? Which one is tall here? Yes, this is the tall and this is short. This is a tall tree and this is a short tree. Comparing these two, this is a tall tree and this is a short tree. This is a short tree. I draw two lines here. I draw two lines here. Which one is tall here? Which one is tall? Yes, this line is tall and this is the short line. This line is the tall and this line is the short. Do you got the idea? You got it? Now we learn the big and small. Big and small. Here you can see two flowers. Which flower is small? Yes, this is the small and this is the big flower. We can circle the big one. We can circle the big one. You can see two circles here. You can see two circles here. Which circle is big here? Which one is big? Can you put a tick? Yes. Tick the big one. This is the big circle. Here you can see a square. two square shape. You can see two square shape. Which square is big in size? Which is big? Yes, the second square is big in size. And the third one is a triangle. Which triangle is big? Which one is big? Yes, the A. We can put a tick. Okay, we can put the big one. In your notebook also, you can draw objects and put a tick in the big one. Put tick mark on big one. Okay, and set in my WhatsApp. Okay, take page number 48. Take page number 48. You can see some pictures. Tick the big animal. Tick the big animal. There is an elephant. There is an elephant and a dog. There is an elephant and a dog. You can put tick mark on the big animal. You can put tick mark on the big animal. Here, a pineapple and an apple. Pineapple and an apple. You can tick the, you can circle the small one. You can circle the small one. You know which one is small. And you can circle the small one. And the exercise number B, circle the tall building. Here, you can see two buildings. And you can circle the tall building. And E, tick the short ladder. You can see two ladders there. Two ladder. You can put a tick on the short ladder. Put a tick on the short ladder. Color the big ball. The C. What is the exercise number C? Color the big ball. Color the big ball. You can color the big ball. Color the short tree. That is the exercise number F. Color the short tree. You know which is short, and color only the short. You can color only the short. Do you understand? Yes. In our last class, we learned the numbers, and this class we learned the concepts of big and small and tall and short. For the next class, you do the exercise in page number 48. Parents, please take care of your children and make them sure that they do their work well. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for listening my class.